You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to generate custom AI wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, press and hold a blank area on your home screen to enter edit mode. Tap Wallpaper and then change wallpaper. Look for and select the option called AI Wallpaper or Generative Wallpaper. You will be prompted. 2. Type a text description of the scene or style you want. For example, type a neon cyberpunk city at night or a tranquil forest with glowing mushrooms. You can also choose an art style like watercolor or digital art. Tap Generate and the AI will create several unique wallpaper options based on your prompt. Browse through the generated images and tap on one to preview it on your home and lock screens. If you like it, tap Set Wallpaper. You can also tap Generate More for additional variations. The AI creates these images on device for privacy, so they are unique to you. You can generate as many as you like until you find the perfect custom background. This feature turns any idea into a personalized wallpaper. For more simple Samsung tutorials, subscribe to the channel.